Alright guys, hi, how are you? This is Just Safi, otherwise known as Naturally Just Safi, otherwise known as Miss JSB Oil Blends. Welcome to my channel, and today's video is something different, but I wanted to bring back the hair content. So I'm giving you a double feature today. I'm going to show you my morning skincare routine, and I'm also going to show you my hair care routine. I do this both at night as well as in the morning. And yes, it's a very quick routine, and I have literally been able to like work this down to, you know, less than 10 minutes. So if you are a busy mom, you know, college student, or you just don't have the freaking time, then trust me, this video is for you. Now, let's start out with the face because my face is feeling hella dry. I washed my skin. I used the La Roche-Posay facial wash, and now I'm going to go in, because this is daytime, I will be using the, I don't know if you can see that, the Neutrogena. This is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer with sunscreen. It's got SPF 50. Now let me tell you something. If you are a melanated sister like myself, you know, you need to be using sunscreen. Don't think because you are melanated you don't need sunscreen. You definitely need to be using sunscreen. And I've just started using sunscreen within the last year. So what I do is I take a pump, a little small, that's how much I need. You don't need any more than that. Then I go in with my Just Safi Blend skin oil. I go in with the skin oil, and I add drops. Now you may have seen this on my Instagram, but you can mix this with your regular moisturizers. Sometimes I do 1 to 2 drops. Go in and add that to your skin. What it does is it acts as a moisturizing serum. It gives your skin an extra boost of moisturizer, and while your skin is still a little wet, you're going to use it, and it helps the moisturizer to penetrate into the skin, and it gives you that healthy glow without feeling like sticky. That's why I love using my skin oil. It is a light skin oil. It doesn't have any artificial fragrances in it, no dyes in it. So it is safe to use on your skin, sensitive skin. You can use it on your face as well as all over your body. That's why I wanted to create this product to help people, especially with those with eczema and psoriasis, and people who are really looking for something that is natural, that doesn't have a million, you know, unhealthy ingredients in it. And I use it both during the day as well as at night after I wash my face. Now when I do it at night, I use this here. This is the La Roche-Posay Lip Car Balm, and that's what I use at night. And I do the same thing. I add just a small bit of the moisturizing cream, and then the oil as well after I wash my face. And also sometimes if my skin is hella dry, I will concentrate the oil to penetrate in certain areas that I feel I need it the most. And there you go. It gives me that natural, healthy glow. Now, the next thing is my hair. Now, I'm going to give you some realness and I'm going to show you some realness. I am dealing currently with alopecia. I've been dealing with it for many years, but it's gotten really bad. And so I had to, unfortunately, go a little medicated. So I use the minoxidil topical solution. I'll use the unscented. This is the extra strength. And I'm not telling you that this is what you need to use if you're dealing with issues with alopecia. Talk to your doctor first. But I am using something a little more medicated. Alright. Then I also go in with my Just Safi Blend Growth Oil. So this is what I use there. So I'm going to do this first. I shake this up and twist it off, and then I just squeeze. And they say to use the one milliliter. I don't necessarily use 1 milliliter on each side. I use half a milliliter on each side, so equaling 1. Now I'm going to show you. See, I'm dealing with this alopecia in this area, so I just go in and I add it and I just massage. Sometimes if I have more time, I will, you know, sit here and massage a little bit longer, but just very lightly I just massage. I massage all of the areas where the hair is thin, where the hair has broken. You know, I do this, and I actually have noticed a little bit of a change in my hair in the last 2 weeks since using it. I'm going to continue to give you an update, but look, I have hair here, which I didn't have before. All of this here, all of that was completely, I didn't even have these hairs here at all. All of it was bald. So now I have hairs coming in. You know, I'm hoping that they get long enough where I can eventually make a lock with, but that's going to take some time, which I'm okay with. Then what I do is I go in with the growth oil, and I don't use a lot of this, maybe a couple of drops, maybe anywhere from, you know, 5 to 6 drops. Just take a little and I put in that area. I also will go in with my secret weapon. I'll tell you more about this product later. And so that I'm not just putting this oil on dry hair, dry scalp, and I just massage. I just massage. That's what I do. I just massage. Alright. That's that side. I even make sure I get up here as well. In here. Now, what I do now is I do the same routine. I'm going to add some water first to make sure it's wet. Then let me shake this up a little, because I shake it up each and every time that I add this. And I massage this in, and I go in on the spots that really need it. You know, I'm glad I'm seeing hair growing here. I'm glad that I'm starting to see that. And I don't know if you can see, but this is my problem area. So I really focus on that problem area. I never add oil to my hair without first adding water. Water is the basis of moisture, and the oil helps to lock and seal that moisture in. That is what oil is for. And the oil also penetrates into the scalp and can help with issues such as hair growth. Not necessarily moisturization itself, but it goes in and helps with, hair growth. It goes into the scalp and it can help with issues such as dry scalp, you know, but it is not a moisturizer. It is a sealant to your moisturizers that you put in your hair. Hi guys, I am coming back just to close out the video, and I just want to thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, hit the comment section, or you can message me on social media. Everything's down below in the description box. Also, I will be giving you a update on my journey with edge growth, and I'm going to let you know how things are going, and we'll do a month by month on that particular issue. But we have a lot of other great videos coming up, so stay tuned, click like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time.